Hello and welcome. We are AutoSafe, a trusted name in aftermarket performance parts in Taichung, Taiwan. We specialize everything in aluminum to plastic and steel components, delivering high-performance solutions for riders all around the world. Whether you are into motocross, enduro, or trail riding, our parts are built for the ride and built to last. Today, we are very excited to introduce our latest innovations for serious off-road riders, our new front brake disc guard. Constructed of polypropylene for maximum protection and durability, this disc guard is designed to shield your front brake disc from rocks, roots, and other trail hazards. It features ample venting to keep the brakes cool in all conditions, and the extended coverage also provides additional protection to the brake caliper. So if you've got any questions regarding our products, drop us an email or stop by our booth. Ride smart, ride safe.